Hi, and welcome everyone to Tuesday Talks. This series offers relevant job search tips that are key in today's job market. I'm Leslie Stearns, Lead Talent Development Facilitator at Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area. And today's topic is self-awareness and why it's essential for career growth and exploration. Self-awareness is a rare quality, and according to research published in the Harvard Business Review, it showed that even though most people think they're self-aware, only 10 to 15% of people studied fit that criteria. Self-awareness is the ability to see ourselves clearly, to understand who we are and how others see us, and how we fit into the world. To understand self-awareness, we must consider its internal and external components. Internal self-awareness refers to how clearly we view our values, reactions, and impacts on others. While on the other hand, external self-awareness is being concerned with understanding how others see us. Self-awareness can contribute to career success. So here are some of the advantages of self-awareness and evaluation that can promote professional growth. Self-evaluation assists you in discovering what you want to do by asking yourself fundamental questions about your personality, preferences, and values. This can help you focus on direction and action to a rewarding career. Use questions like, what motivates me? And what do I enjoy doing? What are my personal attributes and lifestyle priorities? And an important question to answer, what are the 5 things I'm looking for in a job? Is it career growth? Is it working remote? Work-life balance, or actually the job itself, or even the pay? While you're conducting your self-evaluation, it's important to not only know what you want from a job, but what you can give to a job, and knowing what skills you have for that occupation. You probably already know what existing skills you have, but think about what skills you're lacking in. When reviewing job listings, what required skills keep appearing? Do you possess those skills? If not, now's the time to invest in your career and work to obtain those missing skills by upskilling. Also think about your soft and hard skills. Soft skills are people skills that most every employer wants their employees to have. Soft skills include everything from teamwork, communication, and having a positive attitude. Hard skills are technical skills and competencies with relevant tools. These are teachable skills. Hard skills include operating a piece of machinery, speaking multiple languages, or utilizing a software program. Anything that you can learn by getting a degree, watching a tutorial, or by participating in some type of training. You usually find a career list of relevant hard skills in the job description for the positions you're looking for. A few examples of hard skills can include using Photoshop, data analysis, typing, Excel, Google Analytics, maybe accounting or project management. There are many advantages of upskilling. Whether you're employed or looking for work, upskilling can help you improve yourself, let you advance in your job, or even get a raise. So keep up your abilities relevant to the types of occupations you're seeking and stay adaptable, which is the key to growing with constant changes in technologies and industries these days. And Rural Capital Area can help you upskill and follow your career path. Take advantage and utilize the resources that Workforce Solutions Rural Capital Area has to offer. We have career counselors that can help you discover these tools and provide resources for upskilling, training, job readiness skills, and even job placement. Resources including free online learning platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Metrics, or Allison. Take courses that can assist you in effective communication, or learn how to manage a team or specific software program. This can help you meet those job requirements and more. Find those employment opportunities when you're looking for those jobs. Self-awareness is the first step in learning how you can improve your abilities, skills, and in turn, find that perfect career. For more information on career exploration and upskilling, attend one of our free virtual workshops. Head on over to our events page on our website, workforcesolutionsrca.com, to sign up. You can check out all of the services that we offer. Maybe schedule a free online session with our career counselors. I really want to thank you for spending some time with me today, and next month we'll have another great topic to help you succeed in finding your perfect career. Thanks.